Bro,
what are you doing?
My lip is fucked up.
What's wrong with your lip?
I just had like a demo.
Your lip was heavy as hell.
Yeah, because it's fucking numb. It just came from a dental appointment, so they fucking numb my entire jaw.
Alright, bro, this ain't no documentary on this nigga break this, bro. But hey.
Alright, so the turbo kit for the Evo just arrived, so we about to unbox it, show y'all what's going on, what we got in here. We got stickers, SYP Performance, stickers, keychain.
You don't even know what it is. I already know what it is. You don't know what it is.
Nope, not a clue.
My man never had a turbo car before in his life.
Nope.
It's a wastegate, bro. It's the same one I got.
Turbo Smart wastegate. Open it, see what's in there.
The wastegate, that's what's in there.
I mean, yeah, but I'm just showing him. Yes, sir, that shit big. Huh?
Pause. No Diddy, bro. It's two niggas in the house, bro. You talking like you. You gotta look at the chart. The chart will tell you.
Ooh. Say ooh.
Oh man, it's a droid.
Nah, I thought that shit was used. It looked used.
How would it be used if it's brand new in a box? Everything out. Then I'll do the.
We got the lines for the oil feed. I think coolant lines in here. Return feed.
I don't think there's a coolant line for that.
Oh, well. Intercooler pipe. Yeah. Shit, nice. Until we do that special thing that we're gonna do to the car. Yeah.
You make it seem like we was about to do something sexual to the car. The special thing we're gonna do to the car.
Oh, this the up pipe. This the wastegate pipe.
Look at that man. The man love holding pipes.
Oh, you got the teardrop? Yes, sir.
My man gonna be shitting on carry-on.
I guess and this is the exhaust.
Ooh. There you go, bro. One for the wideband.
And the one for the
computer stuff, which you could eliminate, but
I'll just leave it on there. That shit look nice, though.
Look at my man holding pipe. What, girl? All your friends in Barbados about to see this. But you like holding pipe.
Bro, I don't like holding no pipe, bro.
Yeah. Revamped that.
Got more keychains, bolts for the manifold. Ooh, we're gonna save that for last.
What was that?
That's the smoothie boy.
What's this? I got it. My man had a little ching-chong in it.
We're gonna save that one. We're gonna save that for last.
Oh yeah?
This is the manifold right here. Ooh, that boy like shiny.
That's gonna rust on your car, bro, because of the rain.
You sure? SYP. This shit
Looks good, though.
clean.
Looks good.
Shout out to Stars for making this kit for me.
You sound so sad. Shout out to Stars.
I'm not sad.
Good for you.
What else is in there? You got bolts or something? All the bolts are like in that package. Alright, we saved the best part for last. Yes, sir. This right here is the super killer.
That bitch about to spool though. Ooh, that's basically a GT35.
That's right.
I mean a G35.
I thought that's what I got. The G35
G35
1050.
1050. It's the same one on the Super.
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's got a different speed sensor. That boy about to go crazy.
This shit big as fuck, boy.
Nigga, you gay.
God damn.
That boy about to go crazy. Hey Benji, what's up Benji?
All the lines and shit.
Let me see what lines you got.
This the oil feed. I think this is probably the oil drain connector.
That's the return. So you got the feed and the return. And it look like we put coolant lines in here.
But we don't have to run the coolant lines.
You don't. But you should. If it's there, I'll run it.
Yeah. But yeah.
Alright, what's the disclose the name of the Evo. What you gonna call the Evo?
So we officially going because it says Dre always trying to make fun of me and DJ. I'm calling that man out. But because they keep calling me Dark Knight, fucking Wakanda Forever, all these type of names, we gonna name the Evo Shadow.
Shadow. Alright, bro. Shadow. Let's go. Shadow.
Same color as my complexion.
You're not that dark, bro, when you got light on you.
I told you, but nah, apparently.
No, when you got light, you're not that dark. But look at that.
Just need to put one bolt on there.
Put it on this side.
Nah, you put one of the ones that went here. Where they at? Where they at?
Right here.
The small one?
Yeah.
All right, put it up top though. Like right there. He about to say I can't do it, and then I'm gonna do it, and then he gonna be like, man,
I can do it. It's just I got shit in my hand.
Let go. Let's do it right there. That's it right there. Look at that.
That shit clean as fuck, boy.
All right, bro, slap the turbo in there. Where the two bolts at for the turbo? The bolts.
Oh, the bolts are in here.
The 4 bolts.
Yeah, because it has the.
Hopefully we don't have any more leaks. We'll be fine. Fire! Fire! Yep. It's all the water from the rain. What's up, man? Go ahead. Give it a little gas, bro. Give it a little gas.